Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our admin course. In today's video, we are going to see service catalog end-to-end implementation, and I will create a simple workflow as well. That is a flow designer. Though we have not yet discussed the flow designer, but let me show you the basic steps there. So today we are going to create a very basic service catalog, that is new onboarding request. Okay. So let me open maintain item, go to service catalog, click on new. Provide name here. So this is a new employee onboarding. Select the catalog. So this will be service catalog here. So find the appropriate category. Click on this. Select on services. Okay, rest all are same here. Fulfillment automation level. Let's make it semi-automated because we are adding flow here. Provide the short description here. This is the short description. Now provide the description. A bit more detailed. Okay, so this should work here. Now we go to process engine. At present, we have no workflow. We will create one. Okay, so let's remove this execution plan. We are not using it. No need to add any picture. Price, if you want, you can add it. Portal settings. Let's say we want to show it on the portal as well. So click on hide quantity, hide delivery time, hide add to cart. Let's make it very sophisticated one. Okay, so this is it. Click on submit or save. Our catalog item is ready, but we have to create variables now. So this is ready. Open it. So now let me create a few variables. Scroll to the bottom. Click on new. So now first of all, we will create one that is employee name, full name of employee. Make it mandatory. And the type is same, single line text. Order will be 100 here. It's because we want it on the top. No need for any annotation here because it's self-explanatory. Then we have the type specification. So this is fine. Okay. We don't want it to 100%, or let me try it. Let's save it now. Let's submit this and then we will see what is the impact. So now let me duplicate this. Click on try it. This is the short description. This is the description, and this is our first variable, which is mandatory. So it is looking like this in this form. If I go to the variables, okay, let me change it. Let me change the type specification here from 50 to, let's make it 100. Let's see what happened. Now reload. You see, this is the difference. It's a complete width. Okay. So this is what we call type specification. With respect to every type, we have certain ways by which we can control the display behavior kind of thing. Okay. So let's make it the same. 50%. This is best. One more thing I want to show you. Go to the question. So here, let's see what will come in this conversation label. So let's test tooltip, test 1, example, test 2. Okay, so now save it. Let's see what all we see on the screen. Now come here, reload. Okay, so we are seeing test 2 here in this box. Okay, so this is what? Example text. So it's a kind of example which you can provide so that people understand what they have to write. Okay, so you can write your name, something like this. Now, if you hover this is test 1. It means the tooltip is coming as test 1 here. So we are done with tooltip. We are done with example text. Conversation level. So it is not coming anywhere. Okay. So now it is your job. Take it as a homework to find out what happens to this conversation level, where we find it. What is the use of this? Okay. So now let me save this. Okay. So now go back to our catalog item. Scroll to the bottom. Click on new. So now we want here employee joining date. So joining date will be having a date variable type, right? So find out date here. This is date, okay? And provide the label as 200. Make it mandatory. Rest all things you know, right? Let's add annotation here. So this is the help text, which is available in more information. So now click on submit. Let's create one more variable here, which is employee department. So this is employee department, okay? So here it should be a choice, multiple choice, 300, mandatory. Because it is a choice, it is asking a default value, okay? So now let's provide a default value as IT, okay? Submit it. Open it again because we have to add the values there, multiple choices. You see at the bottom, we have the option to click on new. Let's start with the IT because we already added it as default value. IT, IT, submit. We have one added here. Click on new, one more. HR, HR, submit. You see, order is coming automatically. One more, let's add one more. Finance, order number 300, submit. So these three are fine at the moment. Just to show you, you see in the site specification, we have these values. Choice direction is down. Include none. Yes, we want to include none as well. Now click on update. Let's add a final one, that is laptop needed. Okay. New. You see here, yes, no is available. So select this one. Provide the label. Laptop required. Okay. So let's set the default value as yes. Make it mandatory. Order will be 400. Include none? No, because we already have default value. So we do not include none. Click on submit now. So that's it. We have added our 4 catalog item variables. Let me add a variable set as well. Click on it. Click on edit. I told you last time what is a variable set. So these are the variables in a container that can be used in multiple catalog items so that we need not to create same variables for many catalog items. Add this one here. Let's see what will happen. Click on save. So now if we verify at the bottom, we have one variable set. Okay, this one. And here you see these 4 variables. So let me change the order of this one. Let's make it 50 because we already have 100, right? As variables. 50, then 100, 200, 300, 400. So now let me save it one more time. And now let me reload this. So now you see here, because we have added this one as 50, this variable set. Let me open this and see what all things are there. Okay, so it is having total 8 variables, you see, at the bottom. Total 8 variables are there. So we do not need this, right? Because it is not helping us. So we'll need to remove this here. But I told you, right, how to use it. You can create your own variable set as well. It's not a big deal. Create and then you can use it. Just remove it and save it. Now let me reload this. Yes, it is coming like this. The first one is employee name, then employee start date, right? This is a date. And then we have the employee department, which is coming as choice. And then we have the laptop required, which is like this. So let's change this employee department to a drop down. So this is coming like a choice and it does not look good, right? So let me again go back. and change the type. Let's see what we can change here. Click on employee department. Let's see what all types we have here. We see something like select box. Let's check this one. Let's save it. At the bottom, we still have these choices, right? So now let me reload this. So yes, it looks like the one we needed, employee department, and all these options are coming. Let me make one more change. Let me remove the default value and let me add none there, okay? So that it looks more professional. So this is none, unique values only. Now let me save it. Now let me reload it. So it looks like good now, okay? This is what we want. So in front of you, ladies and gentlemen, we have the catalog item ready. This is how you can create your own catalog item, okay? So now let me go back to this item, right click here and click on configure item. The only thing which is left is process engine, that is our flow, okay? So at the bottom, you see catalog UI policy and catalog client script. All these things we will discuss later when we go into scripting, okay? So now let us create one flow here. Let's go to flow designer. Now click on flow. Provide the name here. Click on build now. So now we have to add a trigger here. Click on trigger. Application. Yes, this is from service catalog. So select it. Because we are using current application as service catalog. So the same trigger is here. Okay. So now we have to create multiple actions. So now let us make it more simple. In this, we will create just a catalog task. Okay. And assign the task to a team, that is the onboarding team. And then we just update the requested item values and close the item and the request. So now click on add here. Add action. Find out create catalog task. You see, we have the create catalog task here. So most of the things are available by core. Okay. You need not to create anything here mostly. Create catalog task is here. So what is the table name here? This is catalog task. Drag the requested item. So from here at the right hand side, we have all the things available from the trigger. Okay, we have the requested item record available. So just add it here. So here basically we are dynamically adding the value of the requested item, which will create in real time with respect to this catalog item. Okay. So every time the new RI team will be created, that same will be available here. This is dynamic adding. So now we have to set the fields for this catalog task. Update the fields. First of all, short description. That is, short description will be onboarding new employee and then the employee name. We are not getting employee name here because we have not added the variables. Okay, so now let me do one thing. Let me just click on done here. We will update it later. But let me add one more step. That is get the variables for this catalog item. You see get catalog variables. Select this one. And let's move it to the first number. So this is right. So first of all, we will get the variable name here. Okay, so click on this. Drag the requested item which is created and it is created here in service catalog trigger. Okay. Now select the catalog name here. New onboarding, right? New employee onboarding, this one. You see all these variables are available here. Select it here, okay? So now every time a request is created, we have the variables available for this flow designer or flow. So now if you see right hand side, this is the variables. So all the variables are coming here dynamically. So we can use the same here. Now click on catalog task. So now update the short description to onboarding new employee and add the variable here, name of the variable, name of the employee, full name. So it will update the short description to onboard new employee. This is the name of the employee. Okay. So this is how we should work. Now update the description with full values. Please onboard the following employee. Name is already there. So let me update the name. From where we get the name, this is the value. Okay. And then start date. This is the start date here, right? So remove this. Add the start date. Next thing is we have to add the assignment group. So there should be an onboarding assignment group available. So now add the field, assign this task to the onboarding assignment group. Select the group here, group name. So there is no onboarding group here. So let me go to the groups and create one group first of all. Change the name of any of the group to onboarding group. Open it. In this we have 2 members here already. Okay. So update the description. In reality, there must be a group already, right? But here this is demo. So that's why we have this issue. So no problem. We have fixed it. So now come back to the flow here. Select the group name. It should come here. Onboarding group. Yes, it is coming. Okay. So this is it. These are the 3 things which we want to update in the task so that the onboarding group look into it and create the employee, onboard the employee. Click on done here. So here it is showing some error. Let me open it. Okay, so we forget one thing here. We have to add the requested item here from service trigger. Okay, from trigger, just drag the requested item here. That's it. Now it should not say anything. Click on done. Now let me update the requested item fields here. Click on again one more action. Click on update record. Okay. So which record we have to update? We have to update the requested item. So drag the requested item from here. Now update the fields. Click on here. Select the field. Let's say state. So state will be closed complete. Okay. That's it. Click on done. So now this is our simple flow which is created. One thing is left, which is adding the stages, because stages are very important. So here, how to add a stage? Click on these 3 buttons. Click on flow stages. So now we have to create new stages, or we can import the out-of-box stages for requested item. Click on requested item. Click on add stages. So these are the out-of-box stages which are available. Okay. So now click on save. So just come here, and here you can add the stage. You see this line, click on stage here. Fulfillment stage. So after fulfillment, let me add delivery here. So based on what all stages are available, we can add. Okay. And then finally add the complete here. So we have added the stages as well now. Now click on activate. So now this particular flow is ready for you to use. Okay. So now let me go to the catalog item. This is catalog item, right? Scroll up, go to process engine and select the flow. New employee onboarding flow. Okay. This is it. Click on save or update anything. So now let us click on try it. Let's see how it works. Provide the name here. Ashish Dogra. Employee start date will be, let's say, from tomorrow. Department will be IT and laptop needed. Yes. Click on order. So you see REQ is generated, request is generated. Open this request. At the bottom, you will see the requested item. Yes, this is the requested item. Open it. Now you see the stage. This is delivery. Scroll to the bottom. You see this is a catalog task which is created. Click on here. You see the description is coming good, right? Everything is populated properly. But here in short description, we have the issue. So now let me go back and check what is the issue here. Why we are seeing this. So let me open the task here. Scroll bottom. So we are adding the short description like this. It is good. But at the top, you see, system is already adding something as a short description. So we need to remove it from here and add it there directly. Okay. So now remove it. And here, remove this one and add like this. Okay. So now it should come. Short description is onboard new employee with this value. Click on activate. Let me order this one more time. Okay. Let's go back to this particular catalog item. Ashish Bansal. Everything else is same. Click on order now. Open the requested item. So this is delivery. It is good. If you see now the variables are coming good. Okay. At the bottom, you see the task. Open the task. Now we are getting the good value here. Onboard new employee and the name of the employee and other values are coming. So now this task will go in the queue of the onboarding group. Okay, so where is the assignment group? Let me add it here. So let me add the assignment group on the form so that it looks good. Click on form layout. This is assignment group. Scroll it to the top. Now save it. So this is the assignment group, onboarding group, right? So someone from assignment group will add the request in their queue and create the employee and then close the task. Click on close. You see the state is complete now. It means the onboarding is done. This request is also complete. This task is also complete. So this is a kind of onboarding thing which the people will do, but we have created our flow and we have created the catalog item. So in this way, we will create a complete catalog item, variables, variable sets, and a flow in front of you. So I hope you get a basic idea about the flow, how to create it. When we go in the session of Flow Designer, I will tell you these basic things here, how to add the pills and all, okay? But for the time being, this is how we do in catalog. So with this, we are done with the service catalog. We will move to knowledge management soon.